Hey guys, welcome to Quizzer Academy channel.
Welcome to the Capital City Challenge. Think you know the world's capitals? Some are obvious, but others might trick you. In this quiz, I'll give you a mix of real and fake capitals. Your job is to guess the right one. Before starting, please subscribe our channel and hit like button. Let's start. Which of these is the capital of Australia? Think fast. Your answer time is running out. Many think it's Sydney, but Canberra is the true capital. Which of these is not a real capital city? Can you beat the clock? Zurich is Switzerland's largest city, but Bern is the capital. What is the capital of Canada? Subscribe our channel for our weekly quizzes. Ottawa, not Toronto, is the capital of Canada. The capital of Brazil is... What is your answer? Share with us in comments. Brasilia was built to be the capital in 1960. Which one is the capital of Japan? Hit bell icon for more exciting quizzes. Tokyo has been Japan's capital since 1869. Which of these is not a capital city? Share this challenge with your friends. Switzerland's capital is Bern, not Geneva. Which country's capital is called Athens? Can you beat the clock? Athens is the ancient and modern capital of Greece. Which of these is the capital of Egypt? Cairo is the largest city and capital of Egypt. Which of these is not a capital city? Final seconds. Trust your gut. Pretoria is South Africa's administrative capital. The capital of Italy is... Rome is Italy's capital and historic center. Which city is the capital of China? Hope you didn't fall for the trap. Beijing is China's political capital, not Shanghai. Which of these is the capital of Germany? Berlin has been Germany's capital since reunification. Which of these is the capital of New Zealand? Auckland is bigger, but Wellington is the capital. Which of these is not a real capital city? Final moment. What's your guess? Nigeria's capital is Abuja, not Lagos. What is the capital of Turkey? Ankara, not Istanbul, is Turkey's capital. Which of these is the capital of South Korea? Make your choice before the countdown ends. Seoul is South Korea's political and tech hub. Which country's capital is called Helsinki? Helsinki is Finland's modern capital city. Which is the capital of Argentina? Only a genius would know this one. Buenos Aires is Argentina's capital and largest city. Which of these is not a capital? If you know it, Say it out loud now. Islamabad, not Karachi, is Pakistan's capital. Which of these is not a real capital? Rome is Italy's capital, not Venice. Which of these is the capital of Nigeria? Think carefully, but act quickly. Abuja replaced Lagos as Nigeria's capital in 1991. Which country has Tallinn as its capital? Did you go with the obvious? Let's see. Tallinn is the capital of Estonia, on the Baltic Sea. Which of these is the capital of Kazakhstan? Astana, renamed Nur-Sultan in 2019, is the capital. What is the capital of Bhutan? Moment of truth. Here's the capital. Thimphu is Bhutan's Himalayan capital city. What is the capital of Mongolia? Comment second if you want second part of this quiz challenge. Ulaanbaatar is Mongolia's cold, high-altitude capital. So how much did you crack Share You score in comments? And don't forget, we're dropping weekly quizzes that unlock epic knowledge and challenge what you think you know. So hit that subscribe button, like, and turn on the bell to stay ahead of the mystery curve.